Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a logistic regression in R. If you are interested in knowing more about logistic regressions or multilinear regressions, be it in R or in Python, I have a course on Udemy to which I'll leave a link in the description. Now, how to start this? It is super simple. The first thing is that we need a data set and then we need to perform a logistic regression on the data set. And as a result, the first thing is getting data. We need a library for this because my data set is there. So install packages and then AER. If by chance you already have AER, you just need to do library and then AER, Control Enter. And then the next step would have to be data, open parentheses, and then inside you just include credit and then card. And here we go. Let me do Control Enter. And here we see the credit card data. We have here my card, which is my dependent variable. And then we have all the remaining variables, for instance, whether someone has dependents or not, and how many, whether someone is self-employed or not, their expenditures, their income, and so on. And what we need to do is that to do a logistic regression, what you need to do is that you need to create an object, which we'll call model. And here you store the results of your model. So GLM, and let's click on F1 to ask for help. And let's increase the size. So fitting generalized linear models. And there are so many things here, but we only need three, which is the formula, the family, and the data. The formula is about the variables that you want. So for instance, we start with the dependent variable, then a tilde to state the independent variables that we want. And for instance, I'll include age plus income plus dependents. And then the next step is this family. So this is the type of regression that you want. For us is the binomial. And then the last step is to state a data source. So data equals, and for us, it is the credit card. Here you go, Control Enter, and let's do summary to have a look at the results. So summary of our model, Control Enter. Let's increase the size of the console. And what we see here is that we have the coefficients for our variables, age, income, dependence. We have the estimates, we have the standard error, the z-value, and then the corresponding p-value. And what we see here is that particularly age is not something that matters so much. Income is very statistically significant. So the more income, because it has a positive estimate, the more income, the more likely the people are to be accepted. And then it is actually the opposite with dependents. So the more dependents people have, the less likely they are to have a credit card or for their credit card to be accepted. As a result, we are done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to give it a thumbs up. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you in another video on YouTube or on Udemy. And until then, have fun.